Good day everyone, this is Echo 419. And today we're not only celebrating the recent release of the Gundam SEED Freedom movie, but also my first year of creating video content. We're celebrating this by reviewing the high-grade Cosmic Era GATX-207 Blitz Gundam Mirage Colloid version. Let's begin. When the Mirage Colloid system is activated, it renders the Blitz Gundam invisible to both sensors and the naked eye. The box art of this kit does an amazing job of showing off that particular detail, and the artist really did go above and beyond here to show off the cloaked state. Upon opening the box, we can see everything that comes inside. As I pull out all of the runners and packaging, you can see just how well the kit is color separated. Bandai spared no expense when they designed and engineered this kit. With the Blitz now spinning around, you can see all of the wonderful detail that went into this kit. There's lots of surface details and panel lining opportunities. The kit is 100% color accurate and doesn't rely on any color correcting stickers whatsoever. The accessories of the Blitz Gundam include the Piercer Lock Gleipnir and the Trikeros offensive shield system. The Trikeros shield houses the high-energy beam rifle, 3 Lancer Dart hypervelocity kinetic energy penetrators, and the single beam saber. Unfortunately, this kit doesn't include the battle-damaged parts and Schwertgewehr anti-ship sword to recreate this particular scene from Gundam SEED. Those additional parts and accessories are instead included in the Bandai Blitz Gundam Special Edition Gundam Base Limited Metallic Gloss Coating Real Type Colors Ver Car. With all of the accessories attached and the Blitz up on an action stand, we can see how great this kit poses. These poses right here show you the amazing articulation and what a feat of engineering this kit is. Especially this pose right here, just look at it. Modern gunpla engineering really has come such a long way. For size comparison, here it is next to the RX-78-2 Gundam, and the always bulky Zaku 3. It's slightly taller than the Grandaddy Gundam, but not by much. It does have amazing shelf presence and will be a welcome addition to any collection. This kit is rated Gold tier. It's an outstanding kit that gives you everything you want. It's fully color separated, has no color correcting stickers, every accessory, lots of surface details, and good articulation. Happy April 1st everyone, and thank you for helping me celebrate my first year of creating and uploading videos. Even though my channel is still starting out, I do enjoy sharing my hobby with everyone. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. DJ, play my outro.